Okay, Maria, so this is how you use your Facebook shop. When you log into your Facebook page, you're going to go right here where it says Styles by Maria. This is going to open up your Styles by Maria page. And on here, I've added a Shop Now button so that your customers will be able to click here. It will take them right to your shop. But when you're going to edit your store, you're going to go over here where it says Shop. This will take you to the page where you can add new merchandise to your shop. And so it's very simple. You'll just click here where it says Add Products. You need to make sure that your products are already saved on your computer, because when you click Add Photos, it's going to go to your saved photos in order to add it. So for example, once you've clicked on that plus that says Add Product, the first thing you're going to do is add your picture of your product. So for example, you'll click here where it says Add Picture. And I've already got some pictures that I copied from your Facebook page. And so I'll open up that folder. Once I open that folder, this is all of the pictures that I've copied from your page. Now you can do it two ways. You can open the folder above where you can select your pictures. And then you basically can just click on the picture, hold it down, drag it over here, and it will add it. Once it's added, you'll go here where it says Use Photo, and it'll add your photo in there. Now, if you have several photos of the same item, you can click Add Photo again and add a different style, whether it's the front or the back or whatever, for that same item. And you can add as many of those as you need to. Once you've added it and you're satisfied with all the pictures that's here, you're going to type in the name of your product. So I don't know what the name of this product is, but I'm just going to type in two-piece set. Of course, you would type in whatever the correct name is here. And then you would type in your price. And since I don't know the price, I'm just going to guess $12.99. If this product was on sale, you can click on that and then you can put what the sale price is. So your original price would be here, your sale price would be here. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to uncheck that. And this is where you would type your description, blouse and skirt. And then once you type that in, you want to always make sure that everything is spelled correctly. So you want to double check it to make sure that it's spelled correctly. If you have 10 of these items, you can put 10 here, because then it'll let you know when you're sold out. It'll also let the customers know when you're sold out. So you always want to put your inventory here so that you can know when you're running low or when it's all out, because as people buy, this number will go down until it's all sold out. So you'll put your inventory there. You want to leave this to say public, because this allows people to see what you have. The condition of your product, you're going to put whether it's new, refurbished, used, whatever. I'm going to put new. We've already got your shipping standards already added. If you were going to do any expedited shipping, you would add it here. If you charge extra for rush orders, you would click add and you would put what the amount is for that. Right now I have it blank. It didn't allow me to put no returns, so it kept the minimum of 30 days here. So I had to leave that there. Then you also have to select the category of your product. So I put apparel, clothing. And then once you fill that in, then you just hit save. And see, your product is now added. So when someone comes to your store, they'll see the clothes, they'll see that it's a two-piece set. Right now it's still processing because I just added it, but it will look like this one is done being processed. It'll have the name of the item, it'll have the price, and when they click on it, it'll open up to a larger image so that they can get a better look at the product. And if they decide that they want it, they select how many of them they want here. Once they select, let's say they select 5 or 6. If your inventory had 2, it wouldn't let them select 6. It would tell them that they couldn't select 6. So we're going to leave it at 1, and then they will click checkout. And then they would fill this information out so that they would pay. Once they pay, it goes directly to your bank, and then they can go on. You can also share these items to other people's Facebook page or wherever you want to share it to. And so basically, that's it. So you would just go on to the next product. You would click add. Now, these products that I've added, of course, these are not the right names and that's not the right price. So when you come in, all you have to do is click edit, and it'll let you go in and put in the correct name, put in the correct price, and also put the proper description. And then you also want to make sure that you update your inventory. So that's basically it. Let me know if you have any questions.